Hey guys, how's it going? How to leveraging Facebook groups for niche marketing. So, first of all, join a relevant groups. Find and join groups that align with your niche. Look for active communities in group members and engaged members. Engage in discussions, offer valuable insights, and avoid spamming. Build trust before promoting, and then post helpful tips, articles, or resources related to your niche to establish yourself as an expert. Share your products or services in a way that adds value to the conversation, and start a group focused on your niche to build a community around your brand. Offer exclusive content and engage regularly. And then what you're gonna do, next you're gonna organize live sessions, webinars, or Q&As in the group to attract and engage your targeted audience, and then use polls to gather insights and feedback from group members to refine your marketing strategy, and then partner with group admins for promotions or collaborations that can introduce your brand to a larger audience. This approach will help you connect with a highly targeted audience and effectively market within your niche. So let's write down the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.